All kinds of chronic and degenerative diseases have been shown to be connected to oxidative damage in the body. It's becoming more and clearer that some superfoods may help avoid or mitigate the harmful effects of fatty acid oxidation, which happens when oxygen in the blood combines with fatty acids in the cells and tissues. Renal dietitians and a renal diet composed of kidney-friendly foods are vital for persons with kidney disease since they suffer increased inflammation and have a higher risk of cardiovascular disease. Patients on dialysis or those with chronic renal disease should eat a diet rich in foods that protect against oxidation, such as fruits and vegetables. Here is a list of some foods which are great for renal. 1. Fish. Anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids may be found in fish, which are abundant in protein. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish, may aid in the prevention of heart disease and cancer. Omega-3 fatty acids also help reduce LDL cholesterol, which is bad cholesterol, and boost HDL cholesterol, which is good cholesterol. 2. Eggs whites. Egg whites, as opposed to other protein sources like egg yolks or meats, are better for the renal diet since they contain less phosphorus. They give protein. 3. Olive oil. Olive oil is an excellent source of oleic acid, an anti-inflammatory fatty acid. In olive oil, the monounsaturated fat acts as an antioxidant to keep the fat from becoming rancid. It contains polyphenols and antioxidants that protect against inflammation and oxidation. Olive oil is a good source of these substances. Studies have shown that those who consume a lot of olive oil had reduced incidences of heart disease and cancer. 4. Garlic. The salt, potassium, and phosphorus content of a single clove of garlic. Preventing plaque from accumulating on your teeth, lowering your cholesterol, and reducing inflammation are just some of the benefits that garlic provides. 5. Onions. Onions are high in flavonoids like quercetin, a potent antioxidant that helps lower blood pressure and protects against a variety of malignancies. Low in potassium and helpful for carbohydrate, lipid, and protein metabolism, onions are an excellent source of chromium. 6. Red peppers. It's not only that they're low in potassium and full of taste that makes red bell peppers ideal for the renal diet, but vitamin C and A, as well as B6, folic acid, and fiber, are all abundant in them. It is also low in calories. Consuming red bell peppers may help prevent cancer because of the antioxidant lycopene found in them. 7. Cabbage. Its phytochemicals, which are chemical substances found in plants and fruits, help break up free radicals before they can do any harm. Many phytochemicals are also known to defend against and combat cancer, as well as promote cardiovascular health. 8. Cauliflower. It is an excellent source of vitamin B6, folic acid, as well as vitamin C and vitamin B12. It's an inexpensive addition to the renal diet because of its low potassium content and cheap price. 9. Apples. Apples have been shown to lower cholesterol, decrease constipation, reduce the chance of heart disease, and even lower cancer risk. An apple a day may keep the doctor away, thanks to its high fiber and anti-inflammatory properties. If you're already seeing a lot of doctors for kidney problems, this is good news. 10. Cranberries. Are an excellent source of dietary fiber, great for avoiding infections. While the ulcer-causing bacteria in cranberries may also be prevented, they can also help to preserve and maintain the integrity of the digestive system, which is important for overall health and wellness. There's evidence that cranberries can prevent cancer and heart disease, as well. 11. Blueberries. Are strong in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory chemicals. In addition to being high in vitamin C and manganese, which helps maintain strong bones, blueberries provide plenty of fiber as well. They may also help protect the brain against some of the negative consequences of aging that are often associated with the process of aging. A study found that antioxidants in blueberries and other berries have been demonstrated to prevent bone degradation in rats that were not given estrogen. 12. Raspberries. Ellagic acid, a phytonutrient found in raspberries, protects cells from free radical damage. A class of antioxidant flavonoids known as anthocyanins also exists in these fruits and vegetables. Vitamin C, manganese, fiber, and folate are all found in raspberries, which may have cancer-fighting qualities. 13. Strawberries. Anthocyanins and elagitannins, two forms of phenols abundant in strawberries, are found in the fruit. These potent antioxidants, which are found in abundance in strawberries and other berry-related foods, are responsible for the red color and contribute to the overall health of cells by helping to keep free radicals at bay. Strawberries are a great source of vitamin C and manganese, as well as fiber. They are known to protect the heart, as well as to have anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. 14. Cherries. Inflammation may be reduced by eating cherries on a regular basis, according to research. Antioxidants and phytochemicals that protect the heart are also found in these fruits. 15. Red grapes. The crimson color of red grapes is due to a variety of flavonoids. Flavonoids assist prevent oxidation and reducing blood clot formation, both of which are risk factors for heart disease and hence benefit from their consumption. Also, nitric oxide synthesis may be stimulated by the flavonoid resveratrol, found in grapes. These flavonoids also have anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory effects. Those without renal illness or undergoing dialysis may benefit from these foods as well, so share this list with everyone in your family and circle of acquaintances. Your renal diet will go more smoothly if you fill your pantry with tasty, healthful options that are also friendly to your organs.